Okay, if you ever had an internet cable that's just barely too short, this fix it for like $2 a piece. Real talk on whatever it works. Yeah, it just works. You snap two cables together and you're online. No software, no drivers, no app, nothing to set up. Plug it in and go. And it does not feel cheap. The shell is aluminum, not that hollow plastic junk, and the contacts inside are gold plated. It's got a little weight to it. Runs 10 gig, handles Cat 8 all the way down to Cat 5, and you can stretch a run out of their 100 feet without losing anything. Works great. Behind a console too, I run onto my setup and reach zero lag. That I don't love. They're teeny and you get 5 of them. So good luck. Nothing them in driver 6 months from now. West free. This is a gift, and honestly, it's one of these things you didn't know you needed.